Okay, so this is the photo you're normally used to seeing for the last year and 3 months from the camera I've used for the last year and 3 months. And this photo is a photo I just took with my new phone that my son just got me for my birthday. Wow. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Welcome to my apricot bicky video. Alrighty, let's do this. Yum, may I say. Okay, we need some dried apricots. We need some white chocolate, bicarb soda, butter, golden syrup, honey, rolled oats, designated coconut, white flour, and brown sugar. I'll write the recipe below in the description as always for you guys to make it easy for you. Alrighty, let's do this. First thing we're going to do, preheat our oven at 180 degrees Celsius and get ourselves some cookie trays with baking paper. A saucepan, we get 200 grams of butter chopped up. We want to put 1/3 of a cup of a golden syrup in. So this is what it looked like if you've never used it before. Alright, and you'll find it in next to your flours and all that in your baking aisle. Okay, so 1/3 of a cup of golden syrup. We want to put 2 tablespoons of honey as well, and 1/3 of a cup of water. Now what we want to do is we want to put it on the stove top on low, and we want to melt it all down together so everything's all melted in beautifully. Did I say put it on low heat? Don't do that, you'll be standing there for 20 minutes. Oh crap. Put it on a medium heat and stay with it. I'm doing well this morning. Oh, the damn camera died and I'm not sure where. Alright, hopefully I already put this on here, and then I put a teaspoon of bicarb soda in, mixed it in really well, and then we're going to set it aside for 5 to 10 minutes to cool down. While that's cooling down, the first thing we want to do is chop up 1/2 cup of dried apricots, nice and small. Once they're chopped up, set them aside. Now the next thing we want is our white chocolate melts. Now if you have choc chips, white choc chips, just measure out 1.5 cups. If you've got the chocolate melts, they're bigger, so chop it up, roughly chop up 1.5 cups. Once we've chopped that up, so basically 1.5 cups there's that much left of a 290 gram bag. In a large bowl, we put 2 cups of plain flour, 1.5 cups of designated coconut, 2 cups of rolled oats, I just use any, and 1 cup of brown sugar, and mix it in really well. Now we get our butter mix, give it a good mix up again. We want to pour it in and mix that in really well. Now that's mixed in really well, we want to add our chocolate chips and our apricots and get ready because it's going to kill your arm. Mix them in really well. Mate, my arm is dead. Alright, now we want to get spoonfuls, like a saw, and with clean hands you want to roll it into a ball and put them on your trays. Spread them out a bit. Alright, well I got a little bit excited there. You could probably make the balls a little bit smaller. You don't have to have a full heaped spoon like that. I just can't help myself. Alright, now we're going to whack them in the oven. Oh, I forgot to say, just flatten them on the top a little bit. Just a tiny little bit. And then whack them in the oven for around 12 minutes till golden brown. I'll tell you in a minute exactly how long it took in my electric oven. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my God, mate, it smells amazing in here. 12 minutes was right on the money. It was perfect timing. Okay, so now either you slide them out, if you haven't got a cooling rack, just slide them out onto a bench somewhere. You won't be able to move them until they've cooled down. They'll be really soft until they cool down. So slide them out or on a bench, leave them there and keep on cooking. Ah, that's hot. Well, there you have it, my friends. Apricot and white choc bickies. Oh, mate, they made 36 and they're friggin' awesome. Now, if you can afford it, I would double up on the apricots and make it 1 cup of chopped apricots. Thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Oi, I'll be back really soon, eh? Bye!